Terra Luna Classic price forecast, trading volume sees $60 million. Could LUNC reach $2023 in one? The market as a whole has fallen by about 24% in the last 5 hours, while the price of Terra Luna Classic has fallen by 24.1% in the last 4 hours, reaching $0.00017023. Terra Luna Classic's 24-hour trading volume is just over $60 million, and the altcoin is up 2.4% in the last 14 days while it has fallen 1.3% in 1 week. But the $60 million trading volume represents a drop of over 24% since January 380, when the 0-hour volume surpassed $0.00019 million and the LUNC price soared as high as $14.80. As such, the Terra Luna Classic community is currently experiencing internal conflict over how to boost the cryptocurrency's growth, and market interest in altcoin seems to be waning. Terra Luna Classic price forecast, trading volume sees $60 million. Will LUNC reach $2023 in one? LUNC's graph confirms the suspicion that it is in the midst of a decline that has not yet fully occurred. In particular, its 30-day moving average, red, continues to fall below its 200-day average, blue. This means that the price of LUNC will not rise steadily again until it hits the 30-day bottom. However, the LUNC's relative strength index, purple, remains below 50. This represents a rebound from a few days ago, but it also points to the fact that the altcoin still lacks the buying momentum necessary to move it forward. Currently, LUNC is suffering from the community debate on how to best move Terra Luna Classic forward. Verifiers and developers have not only debated how much of the LUNC will be burned and how much of the coin will be reprinted, but have also put forward a new proposal in the last few days demanding that payments to developer Jacob Gadikian be halted, apparently for attacking and slandering validators on the Luna Classic blockchain. Of course, this is not a good impression. It raises suspicions that the Terra Luna Classic community is not united enough to rally around a determined plan to restore the price of LUNC, potentially discouraging other developers from getting involved in the network for fear of hassle and difficulty. However, there have been some positive developments for Terra Luna Classic in recent days and weeks. These developments raise hopes that something effective can be done to increase the price of LUNC. Recently, a proposal for a Terra Luna Classic blockchain update was adopted, in which whitelists could be added to local on-chain tax burning. Binance had requested this in order to be exempt from on-chain incineration and to resume regularly burning trading fees, temporarily halted until at least March. To date, about 38 billion LUNCs, out of a total of 6.87 trillion supplies in circulation, have been burned, and with this update, LUNC's incineration operations can regain their former course. This total is likely to increase faster in the not-too-distant future, especially if other exchanges follow Binance, which is also carrying out its own LUNC burning. At the same time, the Terra Luna Classic community is constantly offering suggestions that will result in a higher burn count, including a recommendation that allows users to voluntarily burn extra LUNC while withdrawing rewards. There is also an effort in the community to enable Terra Luna Classic and Cosmos to work together, largely through an update to Terra's Tendermint app. If this effort pays off, it will help Terra Luna Classic attract more developers, more dApps and more users. And of course it will increase the price of LUNC. Given all these ongoing activities, LUNC has quite a few chances to make significant gains this year. And many in the coin community seem to be targeting $0.1. If LUNC reaches $0.1 with the help of an expanded burning program and improving market conditions, it could create enough momentum for this coin to rise further. Of course, given the supply of about 6.87 trillion LUNCs, there's still a long way to go. But there's no doubt that almost everyone interested in Terra Luna Classic is specifically focused on raising the altcoin to these highs.